the LG V20 user here. Today I'm doing a video on the Nokia 2V for Verizon Prepaid. So the Nokia 2V is a new phone at Verizon Prepaid, available today, January 31st. The Nokia 2V is Verizon's prepaid first Android Go smartphone, so do keep that in mind. So this phone runs Android Go on there, so it'll have a lighter version of Android. So do keep that in mind. Yeah, so it's have a lighter version of Android. It's available in blue silver, 80 GB of internal storage, and it's $69.99 at Verizon Prepaid. So yeah, so that's fine. Then you guys have a camera, dual front-facing speakers, your screen there, which is 5.5 inches HD, 16 by 9. It has your power button and environment button on the right side of the phone. So let's go check it out. It says here, efficiency meets elegance with the slim and sophisticated Nokia 2V prepaid smartphone. Accentuated with bold metallic design, with bold metallic details. This device features a 5.5-inch AC display and two front-powering speakers, perfect for watching videos or playing games. Experienced smoother app performance, 64-bit computing, and up to 2 full days of battery life. While being a part of the nation's largest and most reliable 4G LTE network, Verizon's flexible prepaid plans give you the freedom to pay for what you want when you need it, freedom from inter-contracts, activation fees, and credit checks. So, if you guys want to check out an unboxing of the Nokia 2V for Verizon Prepaid, check out CB Tech's review. Check out CB Tech's unboxing of the Nokia 2V on Verizon Prepaid. So shout out to CB Tech for an unboxing of the Nokia 2V. So check out his video and subscribe to CB Tech if you have not done so. Alright. So yeah. So the Nokia 2V has 10 hours of usage time, 35 days of standby time, 8 megapixel rear-facing camera with flash, 3.5 inches in height, 3.5 inches in width, and 6.5 inches in height. Alright. It says big screen entertainment. Taking every detail while you are video chatting, streaming TV shows, or running apps. The Nokia 2V features a vibrant 5.5-inch AC display, large enough to indulge in every moment. Immersive stereo. There's a dual front-firing speakers down the front, so that is a win. It says turn up the volume whether you are listening to a podcast, playing movies, or making your way through your favorite playlist. You'll be able to enjoy crisp, powerful sound from the Nokia 2V's dual front-firing speakers. Battery for days. Go for longer with a 4,000 mAh battery that lets you talk, text, chat, and more for up to 2 days per charge. A 5-volt 2A intake fills up your smartphone faster, giving you more time to focus on the important things. Optimized user experience. This is where Android Go comes in. It says here, stay up to date with the latest software and features. The Nokia 2V comes preloaded with Android Oreo Go and a Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 processor. For smoother app performances, more efficient storage, faster memory support, and more and improved security. Alright. So that is it, man. The specs on this phone, like I said, this is an Android Go edition. So the specs on that are not gonna be that great. It has a Snapdragon 425, which is quad-core 1.4 GHz. It's a world device which you guys can use in over 200 countries, depending on what plan you have. 10 hours of usage time, 35 days of standby time, 8 megapixel rear facing camera, 5 megapixel front facing camera. The Nokia TV weighs 6.4 ounces. The width is 3.5 inches, the height 6.5 inches, 5.5 inches HD 720p display, 4,000 mAh battery, 8 GB of internal storage, 1 GB of RAM, Android Oreo Go Edition 8.1. It has your side ratings, 4G LTE, it has 8G voice for Wi-Fi calling. If you guys need help with your Nokia TV on Verizon Prepaid, Verizon is here to help out with that, with support on how to set up the phone, use features, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and all that good stuff. So check that out if you guys ever need help with that. So what you guys get in the box with the Nokia TV is the Nokia TV prepaid smartphone, pre-installed SIM card. The battery is not removable. It's 4,000 milliamps. Y'all guys get a wall adapter, USB cable, USB connector, quick reference guide, important consumer safety information, product safety and warranty brochure. So there it is, guys. Nokia TV now available at Verizon Prepaid for $69.99. This is Android Go smartphone. So the specs on here are not that great. This is a budget phone, so do keep that in mind. But if you guys want to try out Android Go on Verizon Prepaid, check out the Nokia TV. So if you guys are interested in that, check it out. It's available now as of today, January 31st, for $69.99. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.